And yes, this is the Titsiras or Pezounofolia Beach, as you can see. And this on the other side is Pezounofolia, but those are connected with this set of rocks over here. But yes, this is the bigger beach, Pezounofolia, that has even a cave to explore. And this is where we snorkeled. And this is where I took a swim in Pezounofolia. Greetings from Titsiras, Pezounofolia and Pezounofolia. This is Pezounofolia Beach. Look at that, it looks amazing. Now let's explore more in the water. It looks amazing. Look at those rocks also. They're quite nice feeling over here. So yes, this is Pezounofolia Beach, and on the earlier episode that I did on the other side behind these rocks, it's actually the beach called Titsiras or Pezounofolia, but I told you on that one that it was Pezounofolia, and that is this one actually. So there are two beaches right next to each other, both breathtaking. On the other one, at Titsiras, I did snorkeling, as you have seen in the episode. Here I am doing a swim and let you enjoy these beautiful rocks. It is now 3 p.m. on this wonderful 2nd of September, and this is the 6th beach I visit today, so quite on a roll. And those are the rock and tiny peninsula that is in between the two beaches. Alright, fun fact about Cyprus, or a fact as such. The bus ticket here in Protaras and Napa, one-way bus ticket costs €1.50, and for that you can travel all the way to Larnaca for that price. And Larnaca is like 64 kilometers, but that one is mostly the bus to Larnaca goes only 9 or 10 times per day, but the one that goes from Paralimni to the water park in Napa it runs every 10 to 15 minutes throughout the whole day. And that is how I went from Protaras to Napa. Actually, on the way back I was running because it's around 10 to 14, 8 to 14 kilometers depending on which part of Napa you want to go. And yeah, but if enough about Napa. This one here is in the city called Paralimni, and I'm actually quite surprised at how nice these beaches are, because on Google Maps they had either low score or very low reviews, so that's why they're still not overcrowded by tourists. But I like this rocky setting and that you can get your own inner peace. So yes, this is the real Pezounofolia Beach, and I hope you enjoyed this episode. And yep, make sure to follow and subscribe to my channel for more fantastic beach adventures with Chris.